Good morning and welcome to another adventure on the Isle of Arran today. We've come up to North Sannox and we've come up from the car park by the road that runs over to Loch Ranza, and we've walked up from there through the edge of the forest and by the beautiful waterfalls. We've just taken shelter from this cloud burst which is now heading south, and looking back up to the north, it's looking a wee bit brighter. It's over 3 years since I've been on this part of Arran. It was just before the first COVID lockdown back in March 2020, and we had a lovely wintry walk. There's still quite a lot of snow on the ground, and I'll put a link to that above here. Yeah, so from here we are going to head along this lovely ridge. It's known as the Dress Circle because it looks out over this superb natural amphitheatre, the corrie, the glaciated corrie, which leads all the way back down to where we've come from. You can just about make out the road. There's some traffic just going down the road there, and the car park is just down at the lowest point of that road. That's where we've walked up from today. So I'll shut up yakking and we'll get on and enjoy this lovely walk along the Dress Circle. We couldn't pass by Castle Arval without popping up onto the summit, so we wandered around the far side where there's an easy scramble. Ready? Meg just needs a hand over the 2 rock steps. There you go, up you go. But we were soon on the top and enjoying the splendid views. Coming down off Castle Arval, we headed across towards Caervaux and took the opportunity to fill up the water bottle at one of the natural springs. We bypassed Caervaux and headed across on the traverse path to pick up the path which leads down into Glen Rosa.
After we left Glen we joined the path which wanders through Knocken Wood before coming down to Claddock, where we joined the Fisherman's Walk. That took us down onto the beach and a stroll along to the ferry terminal at Brodick. So if you've got this far, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope you'll join us on our next adventure.